We are separating state and money. You should join us, have fun. Go towards networks that don't require KYC in order for you to have account. Because KYC means kill your customer. They're harvesting your data. We're all searching for the ways to, preserve your individual identity, but be part of a group you like. So once people are part of the group, they're programmed to defend that group. People get injured and then they fight back. And we need to build better systems, better technologies to prevent those situations.
Would you follow orders?
We're just talking about privacy. What's the biggest fight ahead of us, and how do we get all the other people on board?
I mean, just look at your Facebook account and see how sad it is. And once you delete it, immediately improvement in privacy, and you'll go to a better life. Yeah.
Delete Facebook? What else?
I mean, if you have Facebook deleted, definitely. It's a chain that binds you to stupid stuff. If you have LinkedIn, delete it. You know, find jobs some other way. So
only stay on Nostr, or is there an alternative?
I mean, go on Nostr, yeah, but find especially go towards networks that don't require KYC in order for you to have account. Because KYC means kill your customer. They're harvesting your data and using it for things that are not beneficial to you. So definitely, delete Facebook and LinkedIn and go on Nostr. And if it's too hardcore, X is fine, because you can still have identity not tied to your government ID, but I don't think not for long. Long-term, Nostr is the future.
Why do you think most people are obedient to authority?
I mean, we're programmed to be part of bigger whole, right? And we're all searching for the ways to, preserve your individual identity, but be part of a group you like. So once people are part of the group, they're programmed to defend that group. So, and there are conventions, there are learned behavior. My favorite experiment is the one where the monkeys, you know, with the monkeys where they like put the monkeys and they have like the banana and a ladder, and if one monkey climbs, takes the ladder, everyone else gets like sprayed with water, and then in time, monkeys like climb the ladder, they replace monkey. It's like they put new one, and new one climbs, everyone else beats him up, and eventually they like stop spraying them with water, but they still like, if monkey climbs the ladder to take the banana, everyone else beats them up. So it's learned behavior, it's defending the group, it's deeply embedded in our lizard brain. And sorry for long answer, but that's it,
And would you agree that most people aren't evil because they're evil, but because the system rewards corruption?
Oh, no, I think we're born evil. Did you see, like, babies? Those little, like, what they do? You know, screaming and kick each other. So we get socialized, you know, learn behavior. We get better with time. But I always say, like, I don't think people are malicious. You know, it takes some pain, some, you know, trauma for a person to be like, okay, now we need to injure someone else. And the problem is that our societies, they're becoming like too advanced, too fast. So a lot of people are getting hurt by inflation, by politicians, by, God damn it, man, there's like war brewing right now as we talk, but we're not there. So people get injured and then they fight back. And we need to build better systems, better technologies to prevent those situations, like help give everyone more individual freedom in a sustainable way.
Yeah, last question. There's a lot of systemic obedience or control, so where we obey even and we don't have a choice, like the fiat money system, or accepting terms and conditions online where you don't really have other options. Would a better system be able to shape better people in a way, or is it really upon the character of people?
I mean, it's both, right? There is no silver bullet, but it's not true. Like, you have a choice. Like, after watching this, you can research Bitcoin and get into Bitcoin. So choice is there, and we will keep building until everyone is free. Everyone has their individual freedom fortified and not guaranteed by governments or large corporations, but by technology that they use and tools that they use.
Yeah. So you have a positive outlook on the future?
Yeah. There is a good joke, yeah. It's like, some of you will die, some of us will survive. No, what motivates me to keep coding and contributing to FOSS is building tools that others can use to defend their individual freedom. So we'll be fine. We'll be fine.